Miovision Continuous Safety Monitoring. With the growing concerns around safety at the intersection, finding ways to proactively prevent collisions is a top priority. Miovision Continuous Safety Monitoring equips cities committed to Vision Zero goals with actionable data to proactively identify and address potential conflicts across their network before crashes occur. This powerful solution allows you to use advanced data visualization tools to make informed decisions and implement effective safety countermeasures so you can stay one step ahead of potential risks. With continuous safety monitoring, you can track and assess the risk factors associated with vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians and cyclists, so you can implement targeted safety measures and create safer communities. Continuous safety monitoring achieves this by collecting continuous multimodal data from intersections and leveraging computer vision and a kinetic risk model to detect near-miss events. Next, our advanced algorithms analyze these events to determine conflict severity, assess multimodal road user interactions, and detect trends. Miovision One's user-friendly interface allows you to access intuitive visualizations and reports. You can use these tools to proactively identify safety concerns, conduct root cause analysis, and design informed and effective countermeasures. A particularly helpful tool for root cause analysis is the conflict clips, which show short annotated video clips of each conflict, allowing you to see exactly what happened. Join the ranks of forward-thinking cities and organizations that prioritize safety backed by the power of Miovision One. Contact us for more information.